Find or read reviews that people are talking about. Coredy FL-S01 Automatic Dirt Disposal Base. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose Coredy FL-S01 Automatic Dirt Disposal Base. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Freeing your hands now. The optional Coredy FL-S01 self-empty base works with the R750 Pro, R758 Pro robot vacuum to offer you up to 45 days of hands-free cleaning. Thus you don't have to empty the dustbin of the robot as often. Multi-layer air filtration. The 3000 ml dust bag is manufactured with melt-blown non-woven fabric, which can efficiently filter out all kinds of fine particles and dust, helping to keep the environment and air fresh. App-controlled emptying. Power auto-emptying on or off in the Coredy robot app whenever you want to. Note, you need to connect the R750 Pro/R758 Pro to the Coredy app to use self-empty. Easy to use, one pick, one pull, one install, easy to put the dust bag into the automatic dust dock without any unnecessary handling. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.